I'm back at it. It's been hot, and then it rained. It was supposed to be cool today, but it's hot. But nothing I can do but work through it. I need to fall 33 more trees by year's end, but I need to get rid of this. I need to chop up some firewood. Got it in sections. I cut some up already, and there's more over there that I got to take care of. And I got a new axe. So let's see if my new axe is any good. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a snake wrapped around the bottom of that tree, and he's been following me all day. That white powder that you see, I have it sprinkled everywhere. It's snake repellent. It usually works except for today. That little guy right there on the tree. Thank goodness it's only one, and he's not poisonous. So if any wood rolls down and it's by that tree, I'm just going to leave it for today. But up here's the new axe that I got. I was watching Thorne Bradley, and so I'm like, I'm going to go buy a new axe. I don't think any other women watch him and go out and buy an axe. I think they just watch him because he's good to watch. But this was 30 bucks at Harbor Freight. I usually don't get anything at Harbor Freight except for like gloves and tarps. But what's cool about this, it's got a lifetime warranty on it. Right there. So if I bust the handle, gets rusted, I just bring it back in and I get a new one. So I'm like, for 30 bucks with a lifetime warranty, and if it cuts wood, it's pretty darn good. But I got this one because I want to see if I can swing a 4.5 pound axe all right. And then if I get used to swinging it, then I can upgrade. But right now I just want to test this guy out and see if he's any good, and if he can split that wood. Because I need to split it and get rid of it before fall, so everybody will be ready for their wood stoves. Off to the side, so hopefully everything's in there, but my friend's there. So I haven't even swung this guy once yet. I did take it, was wrapped in paper. I took it off because the only bad review wasn't bad. It just says that you could use it a couple times, then it needs to be sharpened. So before I even brought it down, I sharpened it, and now hopefully it'll work again. 30 bucks, lifetime warranty. So hopefully it does the job. And hopefully I don't hurt myself. I have my Friskers, and it's not this heavy, but it also doesn't feel as secure as this guy does. Like, this guy feels like I could cut wood, but that's not flush. It's kind of cockeyed, but let's get in it. So far so good, even though this ain't, if it sticks I might need WD-40. Thorne Bradley also taught me that too. I don't have the muscles to turn it around and smack it. It sticks pretty good, so it's sharp. Hold on, I'm going to kick it. I'll be right back. I'm going to WD-40 that blade, and hopefully it won't stick. This wood is dry, but it rained for the last 3 days, so it's somewhat wet, not wet like green. I'm going to spray that blade and hopefully it'll help. I'll be my earbuds out here so I want to be able to hear things. And while I was splitting the wood, there was a fawn over there just watching me, and I had no idea until I turned the camera off and I looked that way, and there was a baby deer eating some plums and blueberries that I left for it. And when I went to get the WD-40, I took my time, got some apples off my parents' tree, This will be more food for it later, but just crazy that it was here. I had no idea, and I have nothing blocking my ears, but I really got to be aware. But I got some WD-40 on this, and let's see if it helps so it doesn't stick. But I'm liking this so far. It feels like a real axe. I have my Friskers. I brought it up here, but this feels like a real axe. It's got the wood handle. I think that's what it does. It says genuine hickory. Don't mean nothing to me. I just didn't want to get plastic handle from Harbor Freight. Might be good, but I just wasn't going to do it. WD-40's working. Before I decided to buy an axe, the reason I was watching one of his videos was about splitting wood and different ways to do it, and I was going to try a square split where I work on the outside, make a square, work my way in. But these guys are so little that I don't think will make a difference. This is just little alder. Ooh, that wasn't a good hit. I'm gonna try and split it one more. That was a little more flatter right there. Let's see if that's gonna help or hinder. That was a pretty jacked up slice, but it did its job. I gotta get used to swinging one. Oh, this guy doesn't. It used to say how much it weighed. The head feels heavy, but this feels light, which is the whole point of the handle. I'm gonna give that guy a break and see how that guy does with the same stuff. This guy's knotty too. Not no dirty knot, he just got knots from branches. My knot flat base. There we go, let's try that. So far, the 30 one's doing better than like the $70 one. Or it could just be the knots. Ooh, that was bad. Like that one I have over there, it's lower. I don't have to usually swing as high. I don't like that one. And try one more piece with this axe. This is pretty simple. No branches. That was pretty good. Another thing that I learned is, but each time I pry the axe out, I'm wasting my energy, and so I don't want to do that. When I have lots of wood to split, I want to save it and use it where it's needed. So keep prying it out of that or that. It's not good. Ooh, bad. Never said I was good at this. I just got to do it, and hopefully I'll get good. Let me move this, cut some more, and we'll see how the new one does. I cut some more wood. I dug a hole so this won't be as high. Hopefully that'll help. I like it. squaring it. I don't want to, it's a small piece. Oh, that's good enough. I'm liking it. $30 well spent, I'd say. And it helps when I let the wood dry out also. Ooh, this got kind of funky. Probably could have split that again, but I got a lot to do. I don't know if that's going to work. We'll find out. Is it too heavy for me to do that? Let's find out. Oh yeah. I just got to get more man muscles than I could flip it all the ways. I gotta hold this up, cut some more, and get back to it. But I'm loving this $30 axe. I was a little skeptical because $30 for an axe, you don't think it's going to be that good, because you don't see them for $30. But right now I'm liking it more than that guy, and I love Fiskars. I got their shovel, axe, pruners, rake, shovel, I got it all. But I'm liking this guy. Could be because it's brand new. But for not having man muscles, it's not too much to lift and swing, not a problem. Once it's stuck on the wood, it's too heavy, but that could just be the wood. But I'm liking it. I'm glad I got the one with the wood handle. That's the main reason I got it. I wanted a wood one. I didn't want a manufactured one. And again, I don't know if it's because I let the wood dry, but it's splitting quick, and I usually don't rip through it this fast. But I got wood all over, so I got to get back to work. I'm going to spray this guy again, cut some more, and see how much I can chop before I have to sharpen it again. Cut up, hauled the rest up the hill. Going to see if I can just bust it out with this guy and then call it a day. I still have a bunch left to do, but I got to get to it. As long as I'm making progress, it's a good thing. Ooh, that was bad. It's like golf, don't take my eye off of it. That was bad. Thought I was getting good, but nope. Just gotta slow down. It's a little guy. And with me digging this hole and putting it in, that's helped a lot. It's not as high, so I have more control. Didn't think I'd have so much fun and be so happy with something from Harbor, but this is worth it. Kind of fun now. You're not doing too terrible. Uno más. Getting a leg workout too. Ooh, this guy's might flop. Might not. I like it. I like it a lot. I'd totally get another one if I needed one. I don't. I just wanted to know if I could swing one with this weight, with a wood handle, and I can. Not quite accurately, not yet, but enough to get the job done. Very efficient. It does stick, but I sprayed it and it doesn't seem to be doing too bad, but they all stick. And I sharpened it when I first got it. Haven't had to sharpen it all day. Sharpened it before I came down, and haven't had to since, and that was the only bad thing, was it was dull. But it's awesome. 30 bucks well spent. So if you need an axe and you're on a budget, Harbor Freight's got a pretty decent one for 30 bucks and a lifetime warranty. You bust it in half, something happens, take it back, they'll replace it. I still have lots to do. I gotta haul this up. But it was a successful day. I was excited to use this. I'm excited to continue to use it, but I gotta cut more. But I gotta do it gradually, make goals. But again, thanks again, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. Please give me a like, subscribe. I need them. I'm trying. I'm out here working. No help. Can't have any equipment because I'm within 250 feet of a creek that salmon spawn in. So I only have a permit for hand tools, so it's all I can do. But I feel pretty good about today, making progress. Got to take care of some more of this so I can fall 33 more trees. Thanks again, guys. You're all awesome.